Good morning, everyone. In this presentation, I will talk about smart forests, how technology is protecting nature. We will start with the introduction. Forests are essential ecosystems that play a key role in maintaining biodiversity and regulating the global climate. However, they are increasingly threatened by deforestation, climate change, and wildfire. To address this challenge, the concept of smart forests has emerged. It refers to the use of advanced technology to monitor forest condition, detect risks early, and improve sustainable forest management. So, the definition of smart forests. A smart forest is forest that use advanced technology such as sensor, remote sensing, and artificial intelligence to monitor and manage its ecosystem in real time. It helps detect risks early and support more efficient and sustainable forest management.
Now I'm going to explain the technologies used in smart forests. The smart forests rely on advanced technologies to monitor, protect, and manage forest ecosystem efficiently. These technologies provide real-time data and improve decision making. So, the first one is remote sensing and satellites. The remote sensing is the science of collecting information about forests with direct contact. Satellites capture images of large forest areas. They help detect deforestation, forest fires, changes in vegetation, provide large scale and continuous monitoring. For example, detecting illegal logging activities from space. The key advantage covers very large areas quickly. Then the second one is the Internet of Things IoT sensors. The Internet of Things refers to connected devices that collect and transmit data. Sensors are placed in forests to measure temperature, humidity, soil moisture, air quality. The data is sent in real time to monitoring systems, helps in early detection of environmental changes. For example, sensors can detect abnormal temperature, so possible forest fire. The third one is drones. Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles used for forest monitoring, capture high resolution images and videos, used to monitor wildlife, detect fires, map forest areas, can access hard to reach locations. The advantage more flexible and cheaper than satellites. The fourth one is artificial intelligence, AI. AI analyzes large amounts of data collected from sensors, drones, and satellites, helps in predicting forest fires, identifying species, detecting illegal activities. They uses machine learning algorithms for accurate predictions. For example, AI can analyze temperature and wind data to predict fires risks.
And now let's move to applications of smart forests. Forest fire detection. Forest fires are very dangerous because they destroy vegetation, harm animals, and increase carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Smart forests use sensors to measure temperature, humidity, and gas levels. When there is a change, the system sends an alert. Drones and thermal cameras can detect the heat and smoke even before flames appear. For example, in countries like Spain and California, this technology detects fire early and reduces damage. This image shows how smart forests detect fire using drones and sensors. The drone fires over the forests and uses camera and thermal sensor to detect heat and smoke. At the same time, sensors on the ground measure temperature and gases. All this data is sent in real time to control system. Biodiversity monitoring. Biodiversity monitoring helps protect animals and plants. Smart forests use camera traps to take photos of animals automatically without distributing them. They also use acoustic sensors to record sounds like bird songs and detect species. In addition, GPS collar are used to track animal movements. For example, in the Amazon and Africa, these technologies help protect endangered species. In this image, we see how technology helps monitoring animals in forests. Camera traps take photo automatically when animals pass. Sustainable forest management. Sustainable forest management means using forest resources without harming future generations. Smart forests use sensor and satellite data to monitor tree growth and soil conditions. Technologies like precision forestry help decide where to cut trees and where to plant new ones. In countries like Finland and Sweden, these systems help manage forests in a sustainable and efficient way.
Now, I will talk about the advantages, limitations, and future perspectives of smart forests. First, let's look at the advantages of smart forests. Early detection of forest fires. Smart forests use sensors, satellites, and artificial intelligence to detect forest fires very early. This helps authorities stop fires quickly and reduce damage. High accuracy and fast data analysis. Modern technologies can analyze a large amount of data very quickly. This helps scientists and forest managers make better decisions. Protection of biodiversity. Smart forests also help monitor animals and plants. This helps protect biodiversity and detect illegal activities like pollution. Better forest management. Technology helps managers monitor tree growth, forest health, and environmental changes. However, despite these advantages, smart forests also have some limitations. Limitations and challenges. High cost. One of the main challenges is the high cost of technologies such as drones, sensors, and satellites. Need for experts. Another challenge is the need for trained experts to manage these systems. Technical problems. Sometimes technology can fail due to technical problems or equipment damage. Data security. Finally, it is important to protect environmental data from cyber risks. Now, let's talk about the future of smart forests. Future perspectives. Advanced technology. In the future, technology will become more advanced and accurate. Technology integration. AI, IoT sensors, and drones will work together to monitor forests. Climate change role. Smart forests will also play an important role in fighting climate change. Finally, in conclusion, smart forests use modern technologies such as AI, drones, sensors, and satellites to monitor and protect forests. They help improve forest management, detect fires early, and protect biodiversity. Despite some challenges, they offer many benefits and will play an important role in protecting our planet in the future.